Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our middle school math kit. Make sure to hit our subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Mean More is a game in which students will be playing to figure out median, mode, mean, and range. And based on what they get when they solve for those, will give them a score for each round. So to begin with, each player is going to be dealt 9 cards. They are then going to put those 9 cards in order from least to greatest. So I'm going to do that here with these ones. So there you have it, from least to greatest. So the first thing we need to figure out is the median. What is the number that falls in the middle? And in this case, that number that comes in the middle is going to be this 5 because it falls right smack in the middle of all these numbers. So I have a median of 5. My mode is what number is repeated the most. And in this case, I have 2 3s. So my mode is going to be those 3, that 3. Next is the mean. So I need to add up all these numbers, which will get me 54, which is the total of all these numbers added up. I'm going to divide it then by the amount of cards I have, which is 9. And 9 divided into 54 is going to be 6. So my mean is 6. That's the average number I get when I add all these up. The next is, what is the range? What's the range from the lowest number to the highest number? And that range is going to be, it's going to be 9. So then my score for that round is going to be a total of all these numbers combined, which is going to be 23. So I have a score of 23 on that round. Other students will have a different score. It's all based on what numbers they were given when the dealer dealt out all the cards to the players. So you can play a number of rounds to see who has the highest score at the end. It's a great way to get students to understand median, mode, mean, and range. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.